Welcome back, Sunbro. We hope you all in great health and great money. Today we are going to talk about benefits of Studygram, or how to make notes more interesting and original. Making notes for yourself is one method of learning. Personal notes are useful for keeping track of crucial stuff. Unfortunately, these notes are occasionally written exactly as they are, making them boring to read again. Start using the Studygram method to create more engaging notes to get around this. On social media, particularly Instagram, this practice is already extremely prevalent. Many groups of people post handwritten notes to their social media pages. Studygrams offer several advantages for students, employees, and those who simply want to take daily notes, in addition to their attractive appearance. What is a Studygram? Before cell phones and the internet, taking notes by hand may have become the norm. Sadly, this practice is changing, and more individuals are beginning to use digital devices instead of paper and pencil. Starting from this, the Studygram social media trend emerged. Studygram is a group on social media where students post pictures of more attractive notes. These Instagram users create diaries, charts, notes, and unique notes-taking advice. You only need paper, stationery, and imagination to create a Studygram. Additionally, stationery can come in a wide variety of forms, from pencils and pens to colored pencils and highlighters. The objective is to make notes more aesthetically pleasing and easy to read. Actors in Studygrams are typically current or recently graduated students. However, this does not imply that business owners, employees, or members of other professions are not involved in this movement. Benefits of using Studygram for taking notes. Taking notes on a subject would be sufficient for your life without a Studygram. Here are some advantages that Studygram can provide. 1. Improved precision. Transferring information from one medium to another is not the only purpose of taking notes. Focus and close attention to detail are necessary for the process. It goes without saying that the record is incomplete if some information is not sent. 2. More energetic. Taking notes helps you remember while listening helps you forget. The reason is that all the information you receive will be heard, seen, and rewritten. Productivity will rise as a result of this activity. Additionally, you must make a new note with a unique shape and color. 3. Increased comprehension. The practice of taking notes will help you remember what you've read. You can read it by opening it once again. It will be simpler to read and comprehend the material in your notes if you make them more engaging. In actuality, merely underlining text in a note with a vivid highlighter can aid in your memory of what it contains. 4. Exercise selecting priorities. Not every piece of information needs to be entered into your personal records. There are many degrees of importance associated with the data that has been recorded. Important information should be emphasized with a little dazzling color and noted larger. You can determine your priorities by sorting through this information. 5. Boost imagination. Studygram keeps you thinking on the idea or color of the notes. Because of this, your creativity keeps getting better without you even noticing it. Even better if you want to use the internet to obtain loads of creative reference Studygram ideas. 6. Establish a routine. It often takes some time to create a diary with shape, appearance, and color. You must set aside the time to do it. The good news is that having a good routine can promote both productivity and mental wellness. 7. As motivation for oneself. The notes owner will undoubtedly benefit from this way of adding color to notes. There are several ways you can motivate yourself. For instance, being aware of something crucial or recognizing a former accomplishment. The selection of the Studygram's color. Psychology will be highly impacted by color. Not just for businesses, but also for mental health therapy, color is necessary. The body and mind may react differently depending on the color scheme employed. Green, yellow, red, and blue are a few of the hues that are frequently utilized in notes. It can be claimed that the highlighter container surely contains these hues. Consider how essential information is typically marked with the color yellow. This is due to the fact that yellow is effective enough to catch the eye. Red is no different in this regard, as opposed to blue, which is more frequently employed as an agenda marker. The color blue can boost one's own productivity. It makes sense that this hue is frequently used for agenda or memo titles. Therefore, joining the Studygram community will have a positive impact on many aspects of your everyday life. You will find it simpler to comprehend which information in the notes is more crucial thanks to the use of color. Thanks for watching, Sunbro. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share if you find this helpful. Come again to our next meeting, Sunbro.